So yeah, let's review tangents because now I'm recording. Tangent is sine over cosine, also mean 1 over cotangent. So on the other hand, cotangent going to be 1 over tangent. Let's just reverse. Let's just flip over. Okay, and that also means you want to flip this one, cosine over sine. Cosecant is 1 over sine. Remember the trick I told you, C and S, and this one is also C and S. So they're always opposite C and S. They cannot be the same. So secant is start with the S and it's going to be 1 over cosine, start with the C. That's how I remember this when I learned this. Okay? So I'm going to show you the tips to prove. Sometimes they're going to ask you to prove the identities on the free response question. So tip number 1 is it's easier to convert everything to sine and cosine. For example, here you see cotangent, you see cosecant. Somehow in your mind, you don't know how to cancel it. So let's try to convert it. What is the cotangent again? Cotangent is cosine over sine. Very good. Plus, what is cosecant? 1 over sine. And this one just keep the same. Okay? So that's good? Then from here, we actually have the tip number 2. Tip number 2 is start. Is that easier to start with the simple one, or is it easier to start with the complicated one? Who say complicated? Who say start with the easy one? All right, because we want to prove them equal. All right, start with the more complicated one. It's more information. Okay. This one, there's nothing. I mean, there's a less thing you can do. This one you can see that's the small thing you can do, right? So start with the more complicated one. Okay, start with the more complicated side. Complicated side. Okay. Like right now, I saw the right side is more complicated, so I'm gonna start with the right side. Okay. So. Right hand side, this is how we write it, how to prove it. Right hand side, RHS, that's how you write it, okay? Or if you want to start with the left hand side, you're gonna write LHS, right? Left hand side, right hand side. The right hand side is this. What can we do with the right hand side? I'm gonna start slower with the lecture to make it easier for you to understand, okay? What we can do with this one? Intuitively, what do you think? You distribute, right? You expand it. That's the only thing we can do right now, right? So multiply this, multiply this. What do you have? Cosine over sine, right? Plus 1. Oh, someone already saw it. Sine over sine is 1, right? Let me just write so in case you don't know what's 1. Yeah, this is 1. Is it equal to the left side? Left hand side? Right? So you're gonna write equal to left hand side. You're done. That's it.
Mister, what is RHS?
Right hand side. Yeah. And LHS is left hand side. So the 2 tips, very, very helpful. Okay? Convert everything to sine, cosine. Start with the more complicated one. Yes. Okay? Tip number 3. If you know all the tips, you're gonna like proving identity because it's kind of like a puzzle. Try to make one thing become the other thing. This all thing here gonna help you to do it. So tip number 3 is break the fraction. Break the fraction. If you see a complicated fraction, you're gonna break the fraction. Okay? So what I mean is maybe do a sample number 2. So when you look at these two sides, which one you think we should start? The left hand side or the right hand side? The left hand side is more complicated, right?
Yeah.
You have more information to do. This one kind of not right now. We can convert this one into sine cosine, but let's just start with the left hand side to see what's going on. Okay, left hand side is tangents minus cotangents over sine cosine. You see the fraction? How do you bracket? What is it equal to? What is it equal to? You want to bracket a fraction? Yeah.
When we're gonna prove that, like, let's say we have a
You wanna prove they are the same?
No, can we also use LHS? Like, will they understand that? Or
Oh yeah, for sure they know this. This is the universal way to write it. Okay, you didn't write this one last year. It's universal way you write it. Left hand side, right hand side. Okay, we all know this. Good question. Okay, how do you bracket? Tangent. Okay, let's go. Tangent x over sine x. Seven minus x over AB. Oh, let me do this. Seven over AB minus x over AB. Do they have the same denominator? Yes, good to go. Combine them into the same, right? AB. 7 minus x. Do you agree? So when you break them, do you touch the bottom? Do you change the bottom?
No.
No. So whatever you see on the bottom, you're gonna put cosine as well. Make sense? And then minus cotangent over sine x and cosine x. Perfect. Yeah? Okay, now, what you can do? What can you do? What can you do?
Convert it.
What can you do next?
Convert.
If you combine them, you get this one back.
Convert. Convert.
Convert what?
Like how we did in the first
Exactly. Convert everything to sine, cosine. That's the best. Okay. I saw tangent. I'm gonna convert tangent back to sine, cosine. What is that? What is the tangent?
one. Sine x over cosine x.
Sine x over cosine x. Very good. So everything here is still over sine x, cosine x. Same thing. What is the cotangent? You need to answer in 2 seconds. Cotangent.
Over tangent x.
Yeah, you need to like answer this fast. Should be in your head.
I'm not that fast.
Excuse me. Thank you. It is slow. What is cotangent?
That's what we need.
Mister,
Some
let
time
us know.
What did you say?
A little bit lower.
A little bit slower. That's
Go
weird.
fast.
That's weird.
How fast can you go?
Now, what else you can do here?
You can cross them out, Mister.
Cross which one? That's right. Cross which one? Cancel which one?
The cosine.
The cosine here and cosine here? Yeah? Do you agree? Do you remember the complex fraction?
Or you could take it to the top. If you multiply,
Right.
if you
The
multiply
wrong
d,
one.
I mean that over, it'll cancel out with the.
Wouldn't the top one go to? Wait, was it what was it sine? I
The,
don't
the
remember.
top,
Sine?
you're going to cancel with the top. The bottom, you're going to cancel with the bottom. Okay?
Oh, wait,
So
I meant
sine, is it top or bottom?
Top.
Top. Sine x and cosine x, is it top or bottom? This is mean over 1, right? Well, we have two parts. This is they call complex fraction. You have the top part and you have the bottom part, right? No, on the top part, this is sine is on the top. On the bottom part, this one also on the top. So you can, if they both on the top, you can cancel it. So can you cancel the sine and sine x?
Yes.
Yeah? And then what you want to do with the cosine? Can you cancel cosine and cosine here?
No.
If you're not sure about this method, the shortcut I'm showing here, you can do KCF.
Can't see.
This is mean this mean divide. You're gonna do KFC. You're gonna eat chicken. Okay. Here, the long bar here in the name. Remember, long bar here means divided by. I have sine x over cosine x divided by sine x cosine x. Yeah. If you're not sure about this method, let's just do this one and do the KCF. Okay. Now, can I erase this?
Yes.
Now, when you do the KCF, what does it mean? Right, so I'm gonna have sine x, cosine x. I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna change this into the multiplication, right? And then this one I'm gonna flip it. So I have 1 over sine x, cosine x. Now you can see which one you can cancel out, right? Which one? Sine and sine. Can you cancel the cosine? Now you can see clearly here that you cannot cancel it, right? So this one becomes 1 over what? 1 over cosine
X squared.
cosine square x. Very good. Are we good? Now, can you do the same for this one? Either way. Who think you can do this way? The shortcut I'll show you. Okay, then you can this is faster. If you don't, you can just do the KCF for this one. Okay? I'm gonna do just KCF for this one. Cosine x sine x divided by sine x cosine x, same thing. Alright, and that means cosine x sine x multiplied by what? 1 over
Sine X cosine.
sine x cosine x. Which one we can cancel?
The cosine.
Cosine and cosine. And now we have minus 1 over
Sine.
sine squared x. So far so good? Right, sometimes you should go back to the original problem to know, where were we? Are we getting close to this? Okay. Now, what is 1 over cosine? On top, you had 2 seconds. 1 over cosine. Cotangent is cosine over sine. Cosecant start with a C. This is also C. Secant. This whole thing here become secant. Secant square. Alright. 1 over sine. Cosecant. Cosecant square. Did we achieve our goal? Equal to right hand side. Yay. Yeah?
Yay. Mister, why did I feel smart?
You're all smart. You're in the class, you're all smart.
Did you get the new phone, Mister?
Huh?
Did you get the new phone?
No, yeah, November. Remember. November. And now I have another problem because I moved to a new address. They're gonna ship to the old address.
Oh!
I don't know how to edit it. I don't want to like place another order. It's going to be next year. So I don't know. Maybe I need to call them to
You
change
see, you
this.
could change that. Yeah, you could change it.
Yeah, but I need to make a call or something. There's no option in
I don't
there.
want to go either.
I was looking at my phone. Remember? Forgot. All right. Tip number. Yes. Question. Any questions so far? All right. Let's do tip number 4.
Yes.
Can I erase this part? Yeah? Yeah? Okay.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Yes,
Look at
it
this.
does.
This reference
Who wants to drive this?
I slept a total of 7 hours this weekend, guys.
Combined?
That's why I did it.
The absolute value?
Yes, the total value, bro. We knew it could show. iPhone 17. Red, Hey, you could just distract me.
Comes out next
Not
week.
locked in either way.
Look, tell me this doesn't look like this. Look at this.
Oh, you break the 29?
Oh.
All right. Sometimes you need to work on both sides to make them equal to one thing. Okay? Sometimes. So for example, the example here is. Yeah, sometimes you need to work on both sides. If you're stuck, you work on both sides, make them equal to one thing.
Yes, they do. Look, it's dark.
Intuitively, when you look at the left side and the right side, which one you think you should start? Which one you know that you can do immediately? Left or right?
Right.
Who say left? Who say right?
Right.
Right.
Yeah, the right you can break
The one in
the fraction, right? You can break the fraction. So I'm gonna start with the right hand side. 1 plus sine x over cosine x. How do you break it? Equal to
1 over cosine x
1 over cosine x and plus
sine x over cosine.
yeah, that's mean tangent, right? That's right. So I'm going to write cosine over sine over cosine, and that's mean tangent. And what is 1 over cosine?
1 over cosine is
It's 2 seconds.
secant.
Secant plus tangent, right? And then here, then we don't think we can do anything else,
It's
right?
don't look the same as
Then we're gonna start with left hand side to make it become also secant plus tangent, right? So left hand side, what you gonna do?
multiply?
Huh?
You can touch it right chicken with it.
Multiply by what?
Mister, do you break it down the same way?
You cannot break it down. You cannot. Oh, remember this. Remember this one. Over AB, right? You're gonna break it to become 7 over AB minus x over AB. But if you have something like AB minus 7x, can you break it like AB over 7 minus AB over x?
I'm getting it.
Why not?
What class is it?
Can you do
You
that?
can't do that.
You can't do that. You cannot do that, right? You need to make them to have the same denominator, right? So you cannot break it on the right left side.
Wait, but what if we use multiplication?
So what we're gonna do with the left side?
Do we use multiplication?
Cancel it out.
What do you multiply? What do you cancel out?
The denominator.
Cancel with what?
Can we?
No, you multiply it. You put cosine x.
So okay.
So we don't.
Tip number 5, the last one. Tip number 5, the last one. Okay.
Give up.
Pray.
Pray.
Okay.
Stop taking back.
Mister, but we're not done with
Workout burger.
Tip number 5. But yeah, combine 2 tips. Okay. So if you know these 5 tips, then you can solve everything. I was talking about a conjugate, but I want to give you the sign. The sign one minus sign. Okay. Use conjugate. Especially when you see like 1 minus sine,
Oh, I knew that.
1 minus cosine. Okay. You will see why. If you see why. Okay. So left hand side, what we're gonna do? You're gonna multiply to the conjugate. Okay. What is the conjugate of the 1 minus sine x? 1. 1 plus sine x. Very good. 1 plus sine x. Good. You will see what happens. After this, you're gonna work on the board together as a group to prove identities. Okay. All right. What is this equal to? All right. So cosine 1 plus sine x, right? On the bottom, what do you have? What is that equal to? 1. 1 square, right? If you want to really do the formula, is going to be a minus b times a plus b will be equal to a square minus Remember that one?
Minus 2.
You need to know this. This is you're gonna be go with the rest of the math course. Okay? Like even you go, yeah. So 1 square minus sine square. What is 1 square? It's just 1. So what is 1 minus sine square? You need to also know this one. The most important, useful trig identity, Pythagorean. Cosine square. This equal to cosine square. Why? Why? Because do you remember the identity we learned last time? Because sine square plus cosine square is 1. This you need to like know it by heart on top of your head. Okay? Very popular, very important. So this one is become cosine square. On the top, can I distribute it? Can I? Yeah, right? So I have cosine x plus cosine x sine x. And now what next? What next? You can?
Cancel out. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, you cancel out, yes, but before cancel out, what do you need to do?
You have to set it break.
You're gonna break them, you're gonna separate them, right? Now, you have 2 things on the top and 1 on the denominator, that means you can break them. So you're gonna have cosine x over
Cosine squared x.
cosine square x. What else?
Plus
Plus, very good.
cosine
Cosine x sine x over cosine square x. Very good. And now we can cancel, right? Cosine and cosine square cancel. What do you have left?
1 over cosine x.
1 over cosine x.
Plus
Now this one, cosine, cosine square, you can also cancel it, right?
sine
So
x.
what do you have?
Sine x over
Sine x
cosine x.
over
Cosine x.
cosine x. What is 1 over cosine?
Secant.
Secant. See, now you faster. Good. What is sine over cosine? Tangent. Now do you see they both equal to the same thing? Yeah?
That's the left hand, right?
This is the right hand side and this is the left hand side. So they both, so you can conclude, this one you can conclude left hand side equal to right hand side, and then we're done. So that's the last tip. You have total 5 tips. Okay? And now I'm gonna let you work in group. You can erase the board, okay? And then you can just choose, and then choose any board you want.
Mr. You're done for information now.
Huh?
We all collectively never
You
could erase
can't
something.
erase the Among Us.
That's what
I did erase, but someone do it again.
That's what we're like, get us a 5, Mr. What's your
Yeah, that's our good luck.
Sure.
Mister, I think every day we should add 1 more until like the end of the year, and we see how many.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be the whole full room, whole full packed with that. I'm gonna put on the projector, and then you can just work
We should
together.
put it on our t-shirt.
You work in group
No,
together.
I don't put it.
That's why.
Oh, I
We could put it on the sleeve.
What happened? Every free day, I'm wearing my shirt.
Go to the gym.
No, I mean after this.
Yeah.
Fucking grad through fucking.
Yeah. Question.
For the Zoom, 1
No, I'm not
minus
doing
sine
that.
squared. How do you prove when you're back? Is there anything
I already fucking finished.
This is gonna come from here. It's come from here. Sine square of cosine square is 1.
We already did
Sine square of cosine square is 1. So cosine square is 1 minus this, right? I subtract both sides. I subtract both sides by sine square. Right? Then I have cosine square equal to 1 minus sine square. Right? Or I can also subtract cosine square both sides. I can also do this one. Right? And then I have another one, which is sine square equal to 1 minus cosine square. Right? So these 3 are the same. The 3 are equivalent. They're talking about the same thing. Yeah.
Mr. Where did you get the 1 minus sine squared x? Like from the original.
Definition
That
is
was, where'd you get it?
Oh, because I multiply the top and the bottom by conjugate. So 1 minus sine x, I'm gonna multiply to 1 plus sine x, that's the conjugate. And then from there, remember a minus b, a plus b, you're gonna get a square minus b square, right? So I'm gonna have 1 square minus sine square. This one here?
Where does that come from?
Oh, it's come from here. Sine square plus cosine square is 1.
So what does that have to do with the other one?
The this one? Oh, like this as a yeah. So if you subtract cosine square both sides, you're gonna get cosine square equal to 1 minus sine square, right? I subtract sine square both sides, and then I have cosine square equal to 1 minus sine square, and 1 minus sine square equal to cosine square.
And that's only using.
And then I'm gonna replace this one by cosine square, right? I'll replace this one by cosine square. You're gonna equal, yeah? All right. So are you good? Yeah. Okay. So now is work together. You have 8 problem. 8. 8. Okay, do that. You can do on the board. Work as a group.